how to make money on Upwork with data entry services. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. So click on the get started button, and here you join as a freelancer. Then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you proceed to fill in the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. And after that, you click on create my account, and your account will be created. For me, I'm just going to log in because I've already created my account. So here, continue with email. Type the password, login, and here you will proceed to setting up your profile. So here, this is the last step of creating our profile. So let's just go back to the first steps to show you how it's done. Let's go back. And this is the first step. So here, we click on the get started to start setting up our profile. And here we have a few questions to go through. And I'm just going to skip them for now. They are not very important. Same with these other questions. And for these boxes, make sure to check them all. Even this one, so many. It doesn't pay attention to this one. And then click on next to create your profile. And here you have 3 options to choose from. If you want to import from LinkedIn, or you want to upload your resume, or you want to fill it out manually, it will take just 15 minutes of your time or less than that actually. So let's go with the third option. Click on start a new profile, and here we start with typing our skill. So it's data entry services. Then click on next to add your experience. So here, just click on the plus button to add your own experience. You can fill this out. This is just an example. Software engineer, Microsoft in London. Same thing with education as well. So here you can add your education. This is just an example as well. Northwestern University, bachelor's, computer science, and the description as well. And then we proceed to the languages. So English is a must in this platform. So here, let's go with the level of our English. For me, it's conversational, and you can add as many languages as you can speak. Let's go with Arabic. So I'm a native in Arabic, so I'm going to choose Arabic. And I can speak some French. I studied it in school. So here I'm a basic in French. Then next, add your skills. So here you can enter your skills in here. You can enter maximum 15 skills. So there is enough room for 14 other skills, but I'm just going to go with 1. Then click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. Help people to get to know you at a glance. What work do you do best? Tell them clearly using paragraphs or bullet points. You can always edit later. Just make sure you proofread now. So this is an example of a bio. As you can see, I'm a developer experienced in building websites, etc. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, and in order to do that in the less amount of time, just go to ChatGPT, type I'm a data entry services. I work in data entry services. Give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and it will give you a very good bio for your profile. Just make sure to verify the bio, make some adjustments to it, and you can paste it in here. And for me, I'm just going to take Marty's bio, because I don't want to make the video very long. If I went to ChatGPT, it will make it very long. And this is the bio. Then click on next to choose your categories. So here you can search for services. I'm going to go with data entry and transcription services. Then click on next to set your rate or your price. Let's go with $20 per hour. Click on next to add your photo and location. And here you fill all of these information, and then you upload a picture of the profile. Show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with the profile, with reviewing it and accepting everything, then I'm going to show you how you can improve this profile to make more clients work with you, to make more clients prefer to give their work to you than the other competitors. And in order to do that, you will need to search for your own competitors that are working in the same field as you, and they are doing the same skills as you, and just see what is working for them, what type of bio they have, what type of skills they offer, or what type of services they offer, how much they get paid, like this one for example, and this other one, and here we have another one in here. So we'll just need to see what type of skills they do, how they set their bio, how they interact with the clients, and so on. And we'll try to apply all of that to our profile and see what works for us as well. And then if you want to look for jobs or work, just click on find work, go to find work for your skills, and here you can explore all of the listed jobs that are require your skills. So for example, let's type data entry in the search bar, data entry services, and let's see if there is any listed jobs requesting this particular skill. So here we found one job, and as you can see, there's a lot of jobs. You can apply for them and see if they will accept you. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.